Well, good afternoon, friends, and I have unboxed my Canon Selphy printer, and I will not lie, it is giving me anxiety. I haven't even done anything yet. I've just watched videos on how to set it up, and I am guessing that this is going to be harder than I am knowledgeable about. But this is the ink that came with it. And I have it plugged into the power cord, and then it came with the film, and then this is the tray where the film goes in and out. And so I also ended up buying this set of 108 sheets plus enough ink for the 108 sheets, so I'll have plenty of film for that. And I think I'll turn it on. Oops. It's plugged in. But there it goes. Okay, it's turning on. I don't know if you can see it. I have a really crappy phone, so I don't know if I will do it with my phone. So I got English, press OK. We recommend you use dedicated selfie photo layout. Okay. Visit the site on your smartphone and install. I don't know if my phone can actually do this. I have an old lady phone. Alright, so my phone went dead just as I was able to use Google Lens to get to the website. So I've got Google Lens here, and we are going to get to the website, hopefully. Alright, so it did. And selfie layout, accept. And I guess I have to get it on Google Play. Install. Alright, we'll come back when that's all installed. Or maybe it's going to be quick. Yep. Okay. Open. Well, that wasn't as daunting as I thought it was going to be. I honestly prefer to do things without agree. Create layouts. Let's skip that for now. We got the CP1500. Use the printer to display the screen. Okay. So I guess we're on OK. I don't know, do you click that? No. Turn on location services on the smartphone in order to connect to the printer, or remove the Wi-Fi network when the printer is registered. Okay. Allow. Okay, allow it to do that. Align the frame with the QR code on the screen. Unable to recognize the QR code. Okay. Okay. Enter the ID password displayed on the printer screen. Nothing is. So the next thing I'm going to do is put the ink in. And now this has an arrow right here, so it's going to go this way, but it's not. Yeah, okay, it's fitting. Wow, that's unbelievable. Click it into place and close it. Alright, and now I have to figure out how to attach this. Okay, I'm opening the film that came with it, and it's not easy to open. Here we got my scissors. Okay. And we have glossy side. Okay. So there's the glossy side. The back says Canon, Canon, Canon all over it. So, so this is the paper tray. Over here it says open, so we open it here. And then there's another open, which is there. And then we will put our film in. And apparently you're not supposed to put more than 18 pieces of film in at a time. Okay, so we're going to put the film in right like this, and then close our doors. Alright. Alright, we have our film in the tray, and then we open to the first door, and then now, to connect it to the printer, we open the front up, and we just put it in. I'm always afraid I'm going to break something. Okay, so that's it. You just kind of put it in there, and we're all set up. Now I have to figure out how to find my photos. Well, I am very happy to report that after a few tears and some searches and reading the manual, I figured out how to do it. And I'm going to print out a picture now of my newest little grandson. And because he's, you know, a newborn, I think it's okay to have his picture shown. Wow. It's looking good. But boy, oh boy, did I have a tough time figuring out what I had to do to get this to work. It didn't work the way all the videos showed me how to do it. Isn't that adorable? It looks like he's sitting on a shelf, doesn't it? Like he's a little toy. He's actually laying on the floor, if you can believe that. And then they set it up to look like he was on a shelf. So cute. Ended up that I had to put in a password and an ID that was supposed to appear on the screen, but it wasn't just appearing, and then I had to push menu. I can't find any videos that showed how to add the password and ID on there. So anyway, I finally got it to work, and that is the Canon Selphy CP1500.